Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blend two videos into one by using masking on CapCut. So just prepare two videos that you want to blend. I'm going to blend these two videos for example, and let's make one of the video as overlay. Click on the video and click on the overlay button, this one. And here on the overlay, let's go to mask, this one, and choose the horizontal option. And then here you can adjust the position. You can do it like this, horizontally or vertically like I did here. So I'm going to rotate it to 90 degrees. Okay, I'm going to just go to adjust like this, and here click on the feather and adjust the feather to your liking to have that blending effect. I'm going to go with 60. Go back and click on the check icon, and this is it. So now the two videos is blend into one like this. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.